my beautiful people, welcome back to Alazaesbeauty, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Today we're going to do a review on the new Urban Decay Lash Freak right over here. So this is how the packaging looks, just like this. Pretty cool. I love how it's like really Urban Decay. Love it. Purple, you can never go wrong, and then like the lime green, you can't go wrong as well. So this one claims that it's 23.6 times the volume. That I'm excited to find out if it is or not, since my lashes are really little, and my lashes also, well, my eyes in general, they're very sensitive. So I just want to see, is it gonna work for me, not gonna work for me, all that good stuff. So it does say that it's sweat proof, smudge proof, and flake proof. So we will see. They also have a travel size that is 13. The big one is 25. So all right, let's get to it. Let me show you the big one right here. So this is the packaging right over here. Let's see if I can zoom there for y'all. This is how it looks like, and it feels like aluminum. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but you know what I mean. All right, that's how it feels like. I did notice on mine for some reason, I think it's just me because I'm very picky about packaging, the lime green on the bottom on this one, it is a little bit lighter compared to the top. So I don't know, maybe it just malfunction, you know, I don't know, I'm not sure exactly. But at the end of the day, you know, it's all about the product. How does the product work? So now let's go ahead and open this baby up and let's see. So this is how it's gonna look like, and let me go ahead and show you. So the brush, this is how it looks. I like it. It's kind of cool, like the design. I definitely like that it's something different compared to what the market has already. A lot of the market already has a lot of similar items, a lot of similar brushes. So I definitely love this. Now the question is it gonna work? That is the main question. Is it gonna lift? Is it gonna lengthen? Is it gonna do all that good stuff we really want it to do? So this we will find out. So I'm gonna just put the camera a little bit closer to me just so I could go ahead and zoom the little area. So just give me a second, please. Okay, so I'm all up in your face, but I did get a little bit closer. So let's see how it works. So I got my mirror, I got the mascara. Let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so I know there's certain ways that they want you to do it, but I'm just gonna do it the way I want to do it because I want to see if it's gonna work for times I'm like in a rush. So let's see. I'm gonna start with the top. Okay, it's definitely making it thicker, so definitely like that. Ooh, I like that it grabs the ends. These are the hardest ones to get towards the end or the beginning. So definitely love and appreciate that. Alright. Let's see. Now it does have like the little things in the front, which is really nice. It has like little bristles in there as well. So you get like the ones you can get. Alright, let's see. So far not bad. I don't feel like it's really clumping or anything, so I do like that it's kind of like separating on its own. Not too bad. So that is just the top. Let's go ahead and do the bottom because I'm the kind of girl that likes to do the bottom as well. Come on, now we gotta have a little fun as well. So let's see. Alright. Let's see. Now don't worry about the little smudge right there. That was actually me. I don't know why I always do that with any mascara, so it's just me as a habit. Alright, but I like that it's not clumping me while I'm applying. I do like that. So honestly, and I could tell already from this one to this one, I could tell a little length there. I like it. Not bad. Let's see. What do you guys think so far? So far, I'm not gonna lie, I do like it. So far, not too bad. Let me not get too excited, but so far, not too bad. I like it. So let's go ahead and proceed and do the other one. I'm not gonna dip it back in. I just want to see if I could just do it like with one coat. So let's see. Go ahead and grab these babies. I wish I had nice full lashes, but you know, once you get older, like some of your hair starts falling out and it ain't the same. So definitely be very, very careful, especially when you curl your lashes. Be very careful, because I used to curl my lashes a lot when I was younger. So let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Got that. Huh, not too bad. And that's only one coat. All right. Let's see. You get the little edges with the top of the brush. Let's see if it separates this one. Yes, it does. Nice. Huh. So far, I like that it has this tip. I'm gonna show you. Give me a second. Put this mirror down. All right, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let's see. Can I get this in here? Sorry. Let me see. I'm just gonna do it. There it goes. Sorry, took a minute to focus. But that tip in the top, I love that. It's getting like every little nick and cranny. So I definitely love and appreciate that. That is pretty good. Sorry, it keeps going blurry on me. Sorry. But I like that. That is pretty cool. Huh. So far, so good. I'm not gonna lie, it did lengthen them a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I do like that. Especially if you want to go a little bit kind of semi-natural. That is not bad. I do like it so far. So let me close my eyes so you guys can see. I'm gonna look at my mirror as well. But so far, I like it. Huh. I'll be honest, I'm pretty amazed. Now, forgive for me smudging. That was me. That wasn't the mascara. That was me. Since when I go too deep, I like to go crazy when it comes to mascara. So forgive the mascara on that one, because that was more me. But I'll be honest, I like it. Not bad. Huh. Let's see how it feels. Oh, and it does dry pretty quick. Huh. Doesn't smudge. Okay. So far, not bad. I'm gonna definitely wear it out throughout the day. That's one reason I didn't want to do shadows, no liners, no false sleeves, no nothing. I do want to see, is it gonna work on its own, and if it is, how is it gonna work on its own? This is gonna be easy, just a little Q-tip, wait till it dries, and I'm gonna just smudge it off. But I like it. Let me get a little closer and see what you guys think. Let me see if I can put my hand right here so you guys can see a little bit of a length there. Like, that is pretty cool. I like it. Did give me a length. I'm honestly amazed. That's not bad. I like it. And this, I purchased this with my own money, just to let you guys know. This is my honest review. So I'm definitely, I'll be honest, I'm definitely amazed. So far, it's not irritating my eyes. I definitely love that, because like I said, I'm sensitive when it comes to my eyes and even my skin. So I'm always very careful what I'm putting, you know, on my face in general. So this one is not bad. Huh. All right. Well, let me know what you guys think if you guys get your hands on this. I'm definitely gonna, you know, wear it the whole day, and I'm gonna put an update in the bottom. And also, I'm gonna work out a little bit later as well tonight. So I'm gonna see if it smears, if it smushes, if even with the sweat, does it irritate my eyes when sweat combines it together, like in a way. You know, we will see. So, but so far so good. So thank you guys for joining me today, and don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. See you later. Bye bye.